Imagine you could spy on winning ads using AI that has helped us make daily profits like this, and this, and this. And here's how it works. Step 1. Simply enter your keyword here, or competitor's name you wish to spy on. Select active ads so you know their ads are working right now. Step 2. Next, choose the ad you wish to copy, and in one click press the swipe ad button. In seconds, this competitor's ad is ported across to your Beaver AI account. Step 3. Enter a few details here. Enter your product name. Hit generate, and your ad is instantly recreated based on that winning ad. Look how incredibly well it has copied the old competitor's ad style. Amazing, accurate, and done in a matter of seconds. We do this every single day, and it works like crazy for our company. We also direct link into all the major affiliate marketplaces like AVZoo, ClickBank, Digistore, and many more. Beaver AI is the perfect solution for affiliate marketers, business owners, and agencies. It does Instagram, Google Banner, Google Search, LinkedIn. It'll write YouTube scripts, TikTok scripts. Heck, it'll even write high converting emails for you. And Beaver doesn't just do ads, it does organic social media posts as well. So we're scrolling down here to our social marketing. We're selecting 7-day fan page autopilot. We're going to enter the name of our project. So we're going to choose a fitness project this time. And we're going to literally select it from here. And literally in a few clicks, it's going to generate a week of amazing Facebook organic social media posts. And here we go. First post, second post, third post, fourth post, and the rest down below. Now we just select our post. And here's the best part, you don't even need to leave the browser to post it. You can literally scroll down, hit post now, and from here you select the page that you want to post to. You can either publish it right now, or you can hit schedule and use our special calendar to select when you want to post it. So it is true AI social automation. Let's check out how many engagements these type of posts get. Whoa, over 64 comments right here. Tons and tons of people engaging in this amazing content. Beaver AI is the ultimate ads, social media and content generation machine. It can write in the voice of all your favorite gurus, spy, copy and clone any competitor's ads in seconds, create engaging video scripts, write seasonal campaigns for Christmas, Black Friday and many more, create done-for-you affiliate campaigns, and remember it works with all major platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Google Banner, Google Search, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok. And you can schedule everything directly from the Beaver platform 24/7, 365 days a year. Beaver AI is fully customizable in a few simple clicks. We just click edit, add images, search hundreds of thousands from our database and simply choose the one you like. Or upload your own. Even generate brand new ones with AI technology built in. Talk to the Beaver. Tell it to make your content longer, shorter, add more emojis, change the length of copy. Beaver AI can do it all. And with early bird customers absolutely thrilled with the results they've been having, saving time, money and effort. This truly is a game changer, and we even use it in our own business every single day. Now here's the good news. For our opening launch week, May 13th to May 20th, we are doing an absolutely crazy offer. If you decide to join today, you get guaranteed to join for a single one-time payment. But wait, it gets even better. You are also guaranteed to get all 7 Beavers included for the price of one. Facebook Beaver, Instagram Beaver, Google Beaver, LinkedIn Beaver, YouTube Beaver, TikTok Beaver, Video Script Beaver. Yes, Beaver AI does it all. And to make this a total no-brainer deal, we are willing to offer a no-quibble 30-day money-back guarantee. If Beaver AI doesn't meet or exceed your expectations in every shape or form, just drop us an email at support@gobeaver.ai and we will cheerfully refund every penny. So you've got 2 clear choices today. Do nothing and keep struggling producing winning ads, social media content, high converting emails and miss out on the best opening launch deal of the year. 2.
Decide to join Go Beaver AI today. Get in for a one-time fee and get upgraded to 7 Beavers for the price of 1. With a 30-day, no quibble guarantee, you have everything to gain and nothing to lose. Join Go Beaver AI today and start spying, copying and winning.